Moving on to 1D on page 78, I'm talking about demand. My first step is to draw my supply and demand model. I have quantity on the x-axis, quantity demanded. I have the price that corresponds to each quantity demanded, and I have my downward sloping demand curve, which corresponds to the idea of the law of demand, which just says that when prices decrease of a normal good, the demand for that good increases, all else equal, ceteris paribus. So in part D, it says that a sharp rise in the price of gasoline leads many commuters to join carpools in order to reduce their gasoline purchases. Well, we don't really care what it is they do when the price decreases or what they turn to. What we care about is the demand for gasoline when the price decreases. So again, let's start with an imaginary point where we begin. Let's say that we begin here, where the price of gasoline is here and the quantity demanded for the price of gasoline is here. We're told that the catalyst for change is a decrease in, is an increase in the prices. So from here, and I probably should have moved this out to the right more so you can see this, but nevertheless, it will work. So here we see a sharp increase in prices. So let's say it moves to here. Prices increase. Okay? And at this price, then, we come down and we say, okay, now consumers, that's exactly what the supply and demand model is meant to show, is that now consumers are demanding this much gasoline. And I should have spread the picture out a bit more, but what you can see from this picture is that demand has moved to the left. People are demanding less because of an increase in prices. So this would represent a movement along the demand curve. Okay, in the next video I'll start with the problems on supply, and so my curve will change.